Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about arithmetic operators. See, arithmetic operators are used to perform all the arithmetic operations. We know what is an operator. See, here it is 10 plus 20. So this is called information and this is called operation. Addition operation we are doing. So in the same way, there are 5 arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division and mod. These are the basic operations we can do easily. Here it is, we need to concentrate mainly on division and mod. Here, this is called division and what it will return, quotient it will return. Quotient is nothing but when you are dividing, suppose 5 with a 2. 2 times 4, remainder is a 1. So when you are using 5 by 2, you will get the quotient as a result. This is called quotient, is a 2. Next here, this is called mod operation. It will return the remainder. Modulo division also we can call. Simply, whenever we use 5 mod 2, see, it will perform the division operation only, but it will give that remainder as an output. Remainder. Here, this one will return the quotient and this one will return the remainder. Suppose, if we are doing 3, we are dividing with a 5. Can we divide? No, it is not divisible. So, 0 times 0 and the remainder is 3. So, if we are using 3 by 5, you will get that value is a 0 because it is a quotient. Whenever we are using 3 mod 5, you will get the remainder is a 3. So, division operation always gives the quotient. Remainder mod operation is always gives remainder as a result. And in arithmetic operators, mostly we can concentrate on one more type. So, what is that? Here, any number you are just dividing with a 10. How many times? 2 times 20, remainder is a 3. Next, same 100 we are performing division operation with a 10. 10 times 100, remainder is a 0. So, one more we are doing. For example, 365, I am dividing with a 10. How many times? 36 times. It's a 360 and the remainder is a 5. So what is the use of all these operations means? A very important one. See, when you are writing 23 by 10 and suppose 100 by 10 and 365 by 10. So what is the result? Is a quotient, is a 2, 10 and 36. See what is happening here. Any number, whatever the number it is, either 23 or 100 or 365, when you perform division operation with a 10, in 23, 3 is missing. In 100, 0 is missing. In 365, 5 is missing. It's nothing but it will remove last digit. It will remove last digit. Now in the same way, suppose here 23 mod 10, 100 mod 10, 365 mod 10, suppose. So among all these 3, look at this 23 mod 10 means what? Remainder is a 3. 100 mod 10, remainder is a 0. Next 365 mod 10, remainder is a 5. So what is happening here? Any number you just perform mod operation with a 10, it will give the last digit of that number 305. It gives last digit. This one. Here any number you just divide with a 10, it will remove the last digit. Any number you just perform mod operation with a 10, it will give the last digit. See, these two are very, very important whenever we are learning the programs like digit based programs, reverse number, sum of the digits, find the largest digit, smallest digit, reverse number, palindrome number, strong number, Armstrong number. Whenever you are developing such type of programs, we are using these two operations only. But these two operations we have to learn in arithmetic concepts only. Okay. In the next video, I'll explain how to write all the arithmetic operators related programs. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.